a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a poet whose weapon is his word. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord.
I, Xavier,
I, Xavier Sawyer,
in the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Kelly Keiko Hota,
take you, Kelly Keiko Hota,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
what?
from this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
And promise.
And promise.
Oh.
Where I can free my mind, I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time.
I, Kelly Keiko Hora,
In the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
take you, Xavier Sawyer,
take you, Xavier Wolf Sawyer,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for
for
poorer,
richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
to love and to cherish.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
This is my solemn vow and promise.
Okay.
The way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young.
Kelly, I give you this ring
As a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage
and of the vows
and of the vows
which we have made today.
which we have made today.
Okay, please put the ring.
With time, and we will wake in
Xavier, I give you this ring
It's a symbol of our marriage
as a symbol of our marriage
and of the vows
and of the vows
which we have made today.
we have made today.
Okay, please put the ring.
moving far away.
Therefore today, I proclaim Xavier and Kelly. Today, you are husband and wife. Okay, no kiss, yeah? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today I present you Mr. and Mrs. Flower.